are completing the 175th episode of Young Journos on
Topper TV.
So what is your feedback for all the YJs?
I would like to congratulate all the young journos on completing 175 episodes on Topper TV.
Congratulate to YJs to complete the 175 episodes of Topper TV.
I congratulate BBN for completing 175 episodes in television in the Topper channel. I found a great change in my son. He has become more outspoken. He's become very confident. He takes part in school assemblies. Definitely BBN has done a great job in increasing his confidence.
I congratulate YJs for completing 175 episodes on Topper TV.
My hearty congratulations to all the YJs on completing 175 episodes on Topper's channel. BBN or Beyond Breaking News is a wonderful concept started by the Ryan TV, which gives children to showcase their talent. I, as a proud parent of one of the first YJs of the school, have understood the importance of this course. My daughter has gained a lot of confidence. It is truly a path-breaking achievement which Ryan TV has started.
Congratulations YJs on completing 175 episode on Toppers TV.
I congratulate all the YJs for completing their 175th episode of BBN in Toppers channel. And as a mother, I'm immensely pleased to see my son in the BBN course, and he has gained a lot of confidence, and it's been a wonderful opportunity for him. I thank the principal of our school and the entire BBN team for providing such an opportunity to my child, and I thank Almighty God for giving Ryan an idea of starting BBN in their school.
Congratulations on completing 175 episodes on Topper TV. Great job done by Ryan Group.
I would like to congratulate our young YJs for having successfully completed 175 episodes in the Topper TV. I'm really thankful to our school management, our director ma'am and chairman sir for putting up such a course in school wherein the children are getting so much of confidence for the public speaking.
Congratulations YJ for completing 175 episodes on Toppers TV.
I would like to congratulate all the YJs for completing 175 episodes with Topper TV channel. I would like to thank the management to give such an opportunity to the students so that they can explore themselves, they can express their talents in front of the media.
Congratulations dear YJs for completing 175 episodes on Topper TV. I thank the management for this great media courses which has improved the students' communication skills and their public speaking skills, and which has boosted up the confidence to face the world.
Congratulations YJs for completing 175 episodes on Topper's channel.
I congratulate all the YJs for completing 175 episodes in Topper. All the best.
Congratulations YJs for completing 175 episodes on Topper TV.
Congratulations completing 175 episodes on Topper TV.
I would like to congratulate you all for completing 175 episodes on television. It's a great opportunity for kids, especially the young kids. At the same time, while studying in the school, they get good opportunity to do this course, BBN course, and which gives them a lot of exposure. They go on the sites to interview people, so they get practical knowledge. It's really a great course.
Congratulations, well done, keep it up.
I'm glad I'm congratulating Ryan TV for completing their 175th episode. My daughter, she's got an opportunity over here to be exposed to the media, and I'm very glad that she's got an opportunity, because before joining this course she was little nervous. Now she can face anybody and she can talk on anything. I'm really happy for this.
I would like to congratulate Young Journals for completing 175 episodes in Toppers channel. I would like to thank Chairman Sir and Madam from the bottom of my heart for introducing a course of BBM for the students, which is very rare. We hardly see in any of the education society they are having this kind of course, and I feel very fortunate that I'm a parent of a child who is of this institution and who has got a chance to be a part of this.
It was amazing to know the feedback of the parents of the YJs, and that this feedback keeps us motivated. On this note, this is YJ Sanskriti of Ryan International School CBSE Kandivali signing off for Young Journals.